वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। We are seeing the topic conjunct consonant, and we know what is a conjunct consonant. Sanyukta Vyanjanani. Conjunct consonant in Sanskritam it is called Sanyukta Vyanjanani. That is, when a consonant is followed by one or more consonants with no vowel intervention, then it is called a conjunct consonant. And we saw in the conjunct consonant, the last consonant, it means the consonant which is followed by the vowel is written completely, whereas all the preceding consonants, they are written half. Because it is written half, it is not that it is different from the pure consonant. It's also pure consonant only. Only the form is written half. If there is a vertical stroke, the vertical stroke will vanish, or one is written below the other. That is, the last consonant at the bottom and the first consonant will be at the top. This is how the conjunct consonants are written. And their pronunciation, the pronunciation will be easy when it is followed by, when it is preceded by the vowel. The pronunciation of some pronunciation of some conjunct consonant may be difficult, but when you see a vowel before the conjunct consonant, you would be able to read it. In a word, anyway, the conjunct consonant will be preceded by a vowel, so you would be able to read. So certain conjunct consonants you find it difficult to read, but some certain conjunct consonants you can read. Those consonants which you cannot read, that you will be able to read when it comes as part of the word. So in the last class, we saw certain combinations. I think we have seen these slides. We have seen this also, right? Takara plus Ra is Tra, and Repa plus Ta is Repa will be written at the top of the consonant. I think this slide also we have seen. And the last line, that is Kakara plus Murdhani Shakara. It has got a special form that you have to note. It is ksha, like in aksharam. Like in the word aksharam, aksharani. Similarly, jakara plus nya will be written, will have a special form, nya, like in jnanam, jnani. So, this you can note. Have we seen this slide? I think we have seen, right? Can anyone say? Have we
Yes,
seen
we saw.
this? We saw.
Yes, yes, Guruji.
Okay. Now we will move on. We'll move on to the next slide. So please type your name. If you already typed your name, it is fine. If not, type your name. So you will be reading. You will be reading the words now from this slide. That is examples one. First person, Priyaji. You can read the first line.
Kakara plus ka, ikka.
Kakara plus ka is not ikka. Again, remember when you say ikka, you are pronouncing. So that's not correct. If you can't pronounce, it doesn't matter. But you can read the word now.
Kukkodaha.
Kutaha.
Kukkutaha.
So kukutaha, there you see kakara plus ku is there. Right? So therefore it is kukutaha.
Yes.
Okay. Then the next equation on the right side. Nakara,
Gakara.
not gakara.
Kakara.
It is not gakara, it is na. Nakara plus ka. Read again.
Gakara plus ka.
Again.
Gakara plus kakara.
Okay.
Inka.
Again, Inca you are saying. Where is E? Is E is there before the conjunct consonant?
No.
Then we can't say that. Doesn't matter. Nakara plus kakara plus a. The combination is written like that. That is the first consonant at the top, the last consonant at the bottom, and the word is, you can read the word.
Ankuraha.
Ankuraha. Now you can read the conjunct consonant. That na you can read. How? Because the preceding letter is vowel. Ankuraha. Ankuraha. Right? The conjunct consonant which you cannot read, now you can read with the help of the preceding vowel. Ankuraha. So we should not say inka, ikka. No, that is wrong. Okay.
Then how should we say that, Charanji?
You can read it. Now you're reading it as in the word you're able to read, right?
Okay, good. Okay, Charanji.
Otherwise, you have to read without the vowel. That nakara plus ka is there. Ka. Ka. That in the e should not sound should not come. Ka.
Oh.
For example, shakara plus na, shna. You can say shna. That's why I said certain conjunct consonant you can pronounce. Certain it's difficult. Shakara plus na, shna. That you can pronounce. Like in the word Krishna. Certain words are difficult. Doesn't matter. That you can read when it is a part of the word, right? Okay, the next line, next person. Manjula ji, you can read now. Second line.
Chakara plus ka, chka. The word is sachkaha.
Okay.
Kakara plus kaha. Kaha. Shatkaha.
Shatkaha. Good. The next person now. Prabhakar ji. After reading, you can mute your mic. Prabhakar ji, you can read the third line.
Yes, Guruji. Yes. Takara plus ka. It's udkaraha.
Good. Putkaraha.
Putkaraha.
Yes.
Repa plus kaha is ka. It's arkaha.
Good. Arkaha.
Arkaha.
Yeah. Next person. Ram Kumarji. Next line you can read.
Yes, lakara plus ka equal to ka, so shulkaha,
Shulkaha.
and shakara plus ka is ka, chatushkonaha.
Good. Chatushkonaha. Lataji. Next line.
Sakara plus ka. Skandaha.
Skandaha. Then the next line you can read.
Next line. Okay.
Yeah.
Ngakara plus ka.
Okay.
Shinkala.
Shinkala. Good. Continue.
Takara plus ka. Utsvanam.
Utsvanam. It is kha, right? Post swa will come.
Utsvananam.
Again.
Utsvananam.
Where is swa? Where is sakara?
Utkananam.
That is utkananam.
Utkananam.
Not swananam. Okay. There is no sakara there. Takara plus kha.
Ka.
Utkananam. Okay. Next person. Meeraji. You can read the next line.
Sakara plus ka, skalanam.
Yeah, skalanam only, not skalanam. 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 Okay.
Okay.
Sakara plus kha. That's a mistake there. That is, there should not be the nether stroke, the D below the kha. It's a mistake. Sakara plus kha. Skalanam. Okay. Next equation.
Gakara plus ga.
Here also, Gakara plus ga should be. Here Gakara is that. Okay, it's a mistake. I'll correct it later. Guggulaha. Okay, next person. It's Santanam. You can read the next line. You can unmute your mic and read. Are you there? Okay.
I'm here.
You have to unmute your mic and read. Yeah.
1 second. Nakara plus ga, nga. Unguli.
It is
Anguli.
not Unguli. It's not Unguli, Anguli. Okay. It is
Anguli.
Nakara, not Nakara. Nakara plus ga. Anga, like in the
Okay.
Anga. Angani.
Thank you.
Anguli. Okay. Next equation.
Ikara plus ga.
It is Ikara?
Ga. No.
How can be Ikara?
Nakara.
Not Ga also. Ga means a dot will come. Dot to the right side of the consonant. So what is this letter? It is da, Dakara.
Dakara plus ga is ga.
Ga. Okay. The word is
Katka.
Kadgaha.
Kadgaha.
Kadgaha. Okay. Fine. Then back to Priyaji. You can read the last line.
Takara.
Dakara. Not Takara. Dakara.
Dakara plus Dakara plus Gakara.
Gakara, when you say, then you have to say a, because ga is there. Gakara plus either you say ga or Gakara plus a you say.
Okay. Itka.
Not idga, it is ga. Dakara first.
Ga.
Ga. Okay, you can read the word now.
Mudgaraha.
Mudgaraha. Good. Okay. Next one.
Repa.
Repa plus.
Repa. Kakara. Irga.
Either you read as ga or you just Dakara plus a. Okay. Repa plus ga or Repa plus Dakara plus a. Because vowel is there. You cannot leave out.
Okay. Okay. Repa plus Kakara plus a. Irga.
Not irga.
Marga.
Don't try to pronounce that here as irga. You can read the word.
Margaha.
Margaha. Repa plus ga is RGA. It's difficult to pronounce. RGA. Ga, that's all. But in the word you can read that conjunct consonant because ma is there, a is there. Therefore, mar.
Okay.
Margaha. Right? Okay. Now next person.
Okay.
Manjula ji, you can begin the next slide, first line.
Lakara plus ga. Ga. Algunaha.
Good.
Nakara plus gha. Ga. Sanghaha.
Good. Sanghaha. Okay.
Guruji Vandavut.
Yeah.
In last that one second line. We have sha plus ta. I think takara plus sha.
Where is it?
Before this one, Guruji. Before
this one. Okay. Which one? Which line?
Second line, Guruji. Takara plus kaha.
Okay.
Why don't we write sha, next ka, niche takara?
The same thing you can ask for other thing also. Why only for this? What about the first lines?
First line we are writing the first letter first.
Here also do the same. Here also we did same thing, right? First letter first. First consonant written at the top. Second consonant at the bottom. Right?
Okay, Guruji.
Same thing.
Something only. Different. With rakara, how can we write kakara plus ra? Guruji, how can we read it and
which one? Kakara plus ra.
Ra.
Okay. Kakara plus ra, you can see here in this slide, second line. Kakara plus repa is there. It should be repa.
There is no.
Understand?
Okay.
Already we have seen this in the last class that repa is repa. Okay, here again here there is a mistake. It's a kakara plus ra should be or repa plus a. Okay. Anyway, this we have seen in the last class how to write this combination. That is consonant followed by. Anyway, I will show you. I'm sharing a file. I mean PDF plain file. I will try to show. Okay, so it is kakara you are writing, right? So kakara. Okay.
Yes, Guruji.
Sorry, I mean, this is. So kakara is written like this: kakara plus ra. When a consonant is followed by ra, remember it is ra, not repa. So when a consonant is followed by ra, then the first consonant ka is written as it is, and ra is represented by this stroke. This stroke. This kra. Okay. Similarly, pakara plus ra will become pra. Gakara plus ra will become gra. That is written like this. Okay.
Okay, Guruji. Okay, Guruji.
Now this is kakara plus ra. Suppose if repa, okay, another thing you have to remember, it is repa. Okay, you said rakara, it is not rakara, it is repa. For other letters, you can say kakara, pakara, and all, adding the suffix kara. But for repa, you should not say rakara. Remember, it's an important thing I already told. You would call it as repa,
Okay, Guruji.
not rakara. So now repa is
Okay,
the first
Guruji.
consonant, followed by the another consonant. In this case, what happens to the repa is repa, because it is the first consonant. First consonant means it is not the last consonant. It can be anywhere. Then in that case, repa will be written at the top of the consonant. Like in the word arkaha, we saw just now. Arkaha, down, right? Arkaha, sarpaha. So this combination, we remember. Understand?
Thank you, Guruji. Understood.
Okay. So now, one minute, there is some problem in going back to the PowerPoint. Just a minute. Do you see PowerPoint? You will be able to see
See
now.
your Explorer.
No, now you will be able to see.
Yes, we are able to see.
Okay. Now the next person. Who is the next person?
Prabhakarji.
Please read.
Yes, dakara plus ga is ga. Udgatanam.
Udghatanam. Good. Udghatanam means opening, inauguration. That meaning. Udghatanam. Anyway, meaning part, don't worry.
Udgatanam.
We're trying to read now the words. Okay. Next one.
Yes. Repa plus ga is mahargaha.
Good.
Mahargaha.
Mahargaha. Good. Next person now. After Prabhakarji. Who's the next person? Next person is Ram Kumar.
Chakara plus cha uchaihi
Uchaihi.
and uchaihi and
Nikara.
Nakara plus cha is cha akunchanam.
Akunchan. Okay.
Akunchanam.
Yeah.
Akunchanam.
Next person. Lataji can read.
Repa plus cha. Archaha.
Good. Then
Shakara plus cha. Paschata.
Paschat only. Okay. So here you have to note the shakara. How shakara is written. When it is part of the conjunct consonant, the form you have to note. The form of shakara. It's different. Okay. Next person, Meeraji. Can read the next line.
Chakara plus cha. Icha.
Good. Icha. Okay. Next equation.
Nakara plus cha. Vacha.
Vancha.
Vancha.
Vancha also a desire only. Desiring. Vancha. Icha also same. Okay. Next person. Santananji.
Repa plus cha is richa.
You can't pronounce
Murcha.
that.
Murcha.
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 It's not murcha. Murcha. Because long vowel a is there. Murcha. Okay. Next.
Murcha. Jakara plus ja. Ja. Majjan. Sajjan. Sajjanaha.
Sajjanaha. Good. Okay. Next person. Subramaniam. Subramaniam, you can read. The next equation.
Yakara plus ja.
You can read the word.
Yeah. Anjanam.
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 Good.
And Akara plus ja.
Okay. That part, that one you can
Akara
leave it.
plus ja.
Yeah, because the combination,
Okay.
the example is not given, so you can leave it out. That
Yeah.
you can read the next line.
Okay. This is Nakara plus Nakara plus ga. That is
The word is
Anjali.
Anguli. Right. It is ga, not Jew.
Anguli. Sorry. Anguli. Yeah. Anguli. Yeah.
Anguli. Okay.
And
The next equation
next,
also you can
next
read.
I read. Yeah. Nakara plus ga.
It is not na. It is, read the letter again.
Oh, sorry. It is Dakara plus
Ga. Okay.
Dakara plus ga is
Okay.
Shat.
Okay.
Shataha.
No,
Sorry.
It is. It should be. It's a mistake again. Dakara plus ja should have come there. Okay. So by mistake, ga has come. Anyway, the combination you can read now. You can replace Dakara by Jakara.
Okay. Shatagaha.
No. What is the word? What is the word? The word is
Shadagaha.
Shadjaha.
Shadjaha. Okay.
In the equation, there is a mistake. Ga is
Shadjaha.
in the place of ga.
Shadjaha.
Ja should have come. It's a mistake, but it's okay. Then the word is
Shadjaha.
Shadjaha. If it is ga, then becomes Shadgaha. Okay. There is no word Shadgaha.
Shadgaha. Okay.
But Shadjaha is there.
Okay.
That's a mistake. Okay. Then the next person, Amrita ji, you can read the next equation. Last one.
Yes, sir. Bakara plus ja. Kubja.
Ja.
Kubja. Refa plus ja is ja. Garjanam.
Garjanam. Repa plus ja. Garjanam. Okay. Next person. Nageshwar, you can read the first equation in the next slide. Examples 3. You can read.
Yeah. Yes. Jakara plus jha kujhati.
Okay.
Nakara plus jha jhanjhavataha. Jhanjhavataha.
Janjavata. Good. Okay. Now back to the Priyaji. Yeah. Yes. Any doubts?
Repa plus ja nirjaraha.
Nirjaraha. Okay.
Chakara plus nya yancha.
Next equation also you can read.
Jakara plus nya.
Okay, here again it's a mistake. Oh, sorry, no, there's no mistake here. Sorry. Okay, you can read.
Jakara.
Yeah, the mistake is Nyakara should not have come. Nya should have come. That's a mistake. That nether stroke at the bottom of Nya, Nyakara should not be there. Anyway, yeah, you can read.
I actually, Sharanji, I couldn't recognize that the first letter to read.
Which letter?
Jakara.
Jakara plus Nyakara. Jakara plus Nya. Nya only. That particular combination we saw, right? Yeah, but it's got a particular form is there, and the particular is Nya, pronounced as Nya.
Jnanam.
Okay.
Jnanam. Takara plus Attalika.
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 Not Attalika.
Attalika.
Yeah, letter by letter you read.
Lika.
Attalika. Right?
Attalika.
Okay.
Yes, Ji.
Next person. Manjula ji, you can read.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
I have a doubt in the second line, second word. Chakara plus nya. And while writing the word, the nya is on the top and cha is at the bottom.
Sorry, it's a mistake. That equation.
Okay, fine.
Is a mistake. Then nya should have come at the. I don't know who read this. Priya ji, I think you read, no? Nya should become as the first. Okay, it's a mistake. It's a mistake. Okay.
Okay, no problem.
There are some mistakes in the slides. Sorry for it. I'll correct it later. It is nyakara plus cha. Okay, it should be different. Anyway, mistake means the word it is different. Individually they are right. Okay. Individually, chakara plus nya,
Yes.
if you right, then that is correct. But the word doesn't have that combination.
Yes.
Okay. So individually they are right, but you cannot connect the conjunct consonant to the word because in the word it is different. So doesn't matter anyway. Individually they are right, so therefore we are fine. Okay. Now the next person. Who is the next person? Manjula ji. You can read the next equation.
Nakara plus ta. Ghanta.
Good.
Pakara plus te. Apte.
Update. Good.
Shakara plus tihi. Yashtihi. Takara plus ta. Vittalaha.
Vittalaha. Good. Next person now. Prabhakar.
Nakara plus ta is utkanta. Utkanta.
Utkanta.
Utkanta. Utkanta. And next one is Shakara plus ta is Shashtaha. Shashtaha.
Shashtaha, not Shashtaha.
Okay. Shashtaha. Then Nakara plus na is Uddayanam.
It is Dakara. Dakara plus da. Right?
Dakara plus, yes.
Uddayanam.
Uddayanam. Uddayanam. And Nakara plus da is Gantaha. Gantaha.
Gandaha.
Gandaha.
The pronunciation must be proper. Whether it is Alpaprana or Mahaprana and nasal, and what letter is there? It is Ga. Ga is soft or hard. So Gandaha.
Gandaha.
Gandaha. Okay. Ga, it is Alpaprana. Da is also Alpaprana. So Gandaha.
Gandaha.
And whereas when you read the first one, Shashtaha, Shash, Murdanya, Shash, that Tha is Mahaprana. Shashtaha, you have to read Shashtaha. And the previous one, Vittalaha, Vittalaha, Mahaprana, Tha. Okay. So the pronunciation is important. Okay.
Okay.
Next person now. Ramkumar, you can read the next two equations.
Yeah. Dakara plus dha is shindi.
Shindi, good.
Shindi. And Nakara plus dha is shandaha.
Good, okay.
Shandaha.
Okay.
Nakara plus na is vishannaha.
Good.
And Repa plus na is Urnam.
Urnam, good. Urnam. Then the next person, Lataji, can read the next two equation.
Shakara plus na. Ushna.
Ushnam.
Kakara plus ta. Shuktihi.
Good. You see the form now, takara, the kakara plus the particular combination, how it is written. You can note, already I told this. Suktihi. Okay, good. Then?
Shuktihi. Takara plus ta. Uttapaha.
Okay.
Nakara plus ta. Vrintam.
Vrintam, good. Next person.
Vrintam.
Meeraji can read the next two equation.
Akara plus ta. Saptaha.
Again?
Saptaha.
Saptaha. Saptaha.
Saptaha.
Okay.
Repa plus ta. Gartaha.
Gartaha, good.
Sakara plus ta. Pustakam.
Good.
Sakara plus tha. Uttanam.
Utthanam. Okay, next person. Santanamji can read the next two equation.
Nakara plus ta. Manthanam. Manthanam. Repa plus ta. Artaha.
Okay.
Sakara plus ta. Santanam.
Not Santanam. How will it be Santanam?
Samtanam.
No. Again. You read letter by letter. What is the first letter?
Sa.
With the no, with the Anuswara is there. What is the letter? Sa with Anuswara. It is Sam.
Sam.
Then the next letter.
Ta.
Then read together.
Santa.
How can be Santa? Sam is there and Sta is there. It must be Samsta, right? Not Samsta.
Samstanam.
It is
I missed the sorry.
It is Samsthanam. Okay. Then the next equation.
Dakaraha plus the Uddam.
Again?
Uddam.
What is the last letter?
Uddama. Sorry.
Dama. Okay.
Uddama.
Should not cut the vowel. Okay, next person now. Next two equations. Shiva Subramaniam. You can read the next two.
Nakara plus the Chandanam.
Chandanam, good.
Yeah. And Vakara plus.
It is Vakara? Is it Vakara?
Oh, sorry. It is. Oh, there is a stroke in that, right?
What letter is that?
Yeah, it is Ba.
Ba. Vakara.
Vakara plus the is Abdaha.
Abdaha, not Abdaha. Not da.
Abdaha. Yeah, Abdaha.
Abdaha. Okay. Next one, next equation.
Repa plus the.
Read the word. What is the first word?
Who?
Short or long? Short or long?
Long.
Then say ku, right?
Yeah. Ku. Yeah.
Kur. Repa also you can read along with it. Kur. Then what is the next letter?
Okay. Kurti. Kurta.
Kurda.
Kurdadi.
Kurda. Last. What is the last word? Last letter?
Kurda.
Te.
Kurdate.
Kurdate. It is kudate. You have to practice consonant vowel combination.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sure.
Then the next equation.
Mudade. Gakara plus the is do.
The first letter is
Do.
do. Then read along with the conjunct first consonant. The conjunct consonant, the first consonant is the gakara. Dug. It becomes dug.
Dug. Yeah, dug.
Then, not dug, it is dug. Not do. Dug.
Dug.
Not cerebral, dental. Dug.
Okay.
Next letter.
Dugdam.
Dugdham.
Dugdam.
Okay. You have to practice.
Okay.
The next person, Amrita ji, you can read the next equation.
Dakara plus dha, shuddha.
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 Okay.
Nakara plus dha, sugandha.
Good. Sugandha. Okay. Then the next slide also you can read the first equation.
Yes.
Amrita ji.
Kakara.
Yeah.
Kakara plus murdhanya sha is kshudha.
Good. Then
Bakara plus dha is shubdha.
good. Next person now. Nageshwar. Can you read the next equation?
Ha. Refa plus dha urdham. Kakara plus na shaknoti.
Good.
Khakara plus na chaknatuhu.
Good.
Takara plus na ratnam.
Good. Okay.
Dhakara plus na.
Next person now. Two equations, right? Okay. Next person. Anandji can read. Next person, Anand. Yes, Anand. Are you there?
Hear me? Hello?
Yeah, you have to unmute your mic and then ask. Okay. You have to check your mic. First.
Okay.
Yes. You can read now. Your mic is in mute. Anand, are you there? Your
Yeah.
mic. Read now.
Ghakara plus na. Bhagnanti.
Again?
Ghakara plus na.
Okay. Read the word now.
Bhagnanti.
What is the first letter? Read letter by letter in the word.
First letter is ba.
Okay.
The second letter is gha.
It is badh, dakara. You watch know how I read. I always read the first vowel and the vowel and the first consonant together. Badh. Ba and dakara is a badh. Then the next letter.
Bad na.
Na is that, right?
Na.
Okay. And then the next letter.
Ti.
Now read together.
Ti.
Now read together all the letters.
Padnati.
But what did you read before? You read differently.
Hello?
You read differently. Now it is Badnati, right? Read letter by letter.
Badnati.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Then
Nakara plus na. Annam.
Annam. Good. Next one. Next equation. Next line.
Pakara plus na. Apnoti.
Good. Apnoti. This is the right way of reading. Apnoti.
Apnoti.
Letter by letter. Okay.
Apnoti. Yes, yes. Makara plus na. Amnaya. Amnaya.
Amnayah.
Amnaya.
You cannot make A become as A. You have to read the letter as it is.
Oh.
First letter is A.
Okay.
Then listen to me. Listen to me now first. First letter is A. Then Then Na is that. Na. Then Yaha. Na Yaha. Letter by letter you have to read.
Okay. Amnaya.
Okay. Now the next person, Priyaji. Back to you. You can read the next two equation.
A plus nakara plus a hum.
Again, which one you are reading? The next line, right?
Hakara.
No,
Yeah,
that before
Hakara.
that. Before that.
Repa
Yes.
plus na
Hmm.
Swarnam.
Swarnam. Okay.
Sakara plus nakara plus a snanam.
Good. Snanam. Okay.
I have a question.
Good. Ask, please.
I have a question. On the rakara plus na, repa plus na.
It's Repa. Somebody is correcting you. It's good.
Repa plus na.
Okay.
It is pronounced as with a big N. Why? Swarnam.
What is maybe big hen?
Na.
What is the difference between this na and that na?
No, on the consonant addition, repa plus, why is it not na there?
I'm asking you, what is the difference between these two nakaras? I'm going to asking you.
Pronunciation only.
What is the difference? What is the difference in pronunciation?
Na and na.
What is that?
Na.
How do you differentiate?
Anna and Anna.
What is the difference in pronunciation? I'm asking.
I'm not remembering the.
You should remember. Nah, it's a good question you asked. I wanted somebody to ask this. You asked it. It's good, but you should know what is the difference. What is the difference in pronunciation? This nakara and that nakara. How do you say this nakara, that nakara?
Na.
One is dental nakara.
The vertical line.
Yes, one is nakara, dental nakara. That is repa plus dental nakara. And the other one is on the right hand side, the equation, it is murdhanya nakara. That is cerebral nakara. That is what I want you to say. Okay, Santananji.
I got it.
Okay, so that's a good question you asked. Now, in the equation, please see the equation repa plus na. There, on the left hand side, dantavya, that is dental nakara is there. Whereas on the right hand side, what nakara is there? Cerebral nakara is there. Murdhanya nakara is there. How does it change? Is it correct or not? It's a mistake. It's a typo. It's not a mistake. Okay, it is not a mistake. It is correct. Now,
when it is combined with a repa.
Good. That's a point. You have to note this. Then repa. Remember all of you. Then repa. This is a rule. Anyway, rule part we have to go. We have to go a long way to see that. But since you asked this question, I am answering this. Repa, when repa or murdhanya shakara. Remember, repa or murdhanya shakara is followed by dental nakara, and dental nakara followed by a vowel. Okay. In that case, the dental nakara will become murdhanya nakara. It is a rule.
Thank you, Guruji.
It's a grammar rule. Please note this. It's important. Again, I'm repeating. Repa, here in this equation, repa is followed by nakara plus a. The vowel a is there. Okay. So when repa or murdhanya shakara, anyone can come. Anyone is followed by dental nakara, which in turn followed by an vowel, then the dental nakara will become murdhanya nakara. It is a rule. Please note this. So therefore, swarnam it becomes. So in swarnam, murdhanya nakara is there, not dental nakara. Okay. All of you understood this? This is a point to be noted. You can note in your scribbling pad. We will see when we see the rules later. Since we are doing only the reading practice, therefore, I thought it is not required. But since somebody asked, you got the answer. Right? Understand all of you?
Thank you.
Okay. The next equation can read. Next person. I mean, Priyaji, you are reading, right? Can read. Who was reading?
Yes, Ji.
Yes.
Me, Ji. Priya Ji.
Yeah, please read.
Hakara plus nakara plus a chinham.
No, you can read as chinnam only. We saw that, right?
Chinnam.
The previous class. Akara also becomes nakara only. Chinnam.
Chinnam.
Yes. Okay.
Chinnam.
Yes.
Okay. Dakara plus pakara.
Okay. Anyway, this combination and that word has no connection. Anyway, it doesn't matter. You can read.
Shat padaha.
Shat padaha.
Shat padaha.
Okay. The next person, Manjula ji, you can read the last two equations.
Takara plus pa, utpalaha. Akara plus pa, pippali.
Good.
Makara plus pa, pampa.
Good.
Repa plus pa, sarpaha.
Sarpaha. Good. Okay. Any doubts you have so far in reading this? See, if you can identify the vowel, the consonant, and the combination, and the conjunct consonant, if you can read the way I told, read with this, take the support of the preceding vowel, then you would be able to read any word. There will not be any difficulty. Do you have any doubts? All of you.
Guruji,
yes.
Hakara plus na, is it chihnam?
It is chinnam. When you pronounce that, hakara also will take the sound of nakara. So it becomes chinnam.
Okay.
And Sharanji, one more question.
Yes.
Same thing with hakara plus makara plus
yes.
Will it become
hakara plus makara also it becomes like that. Like Brahma. We saw in the last class, right?
Yes, just the clarification.
Yes. Brahma. Then for this two, it will become pronounced like that. Okay.
Okay.
Any other doubts? So we can stop here. We'll continue to read. Some more examples are there. We'll do in the next class. If you have any doubts, you can ask me now.
Yeah, I'm Shiva here.
Yes. Please ask.
Yeah, see, actually, all these examples we have gone through, we were able to relate it in the word, the particular combination. But suppose later if I'm looking at only the word. So recognizing that combination might become difficult unless, we practice or...
Recognizing the combination. See, the consonants, the conjunct consonants, as it will be there in the word, so it won't be difficult.
Okay.
Can you tell me which word you find it difficult in this example of what we read so far? You can easily identify the first consonant and the last consonant. So first consonant, if it is there, you read with the preceding vowel. The last consonant, it is followed by the vowel. So as it is, you are going to read. So there is not be any difficulty. Maybe this kakara plus sha. I mean, only few letters will have a particular form.
Yeah.
Maybe that only those are only 3 or 4, not many. I can show you that already. We have seen that. Like this slide, you see kakara plus sha, murdhanya sha. Then ksha is that. That is one. And chakara plus nya, that is another one. And kakara plus ta visakta. In printing, it is written like that. That is one form we saw. And another one is shakara. Shakara plus shakara comes in the consonant. It is written differently. Shakara plus na. You can see the third equation from the bottom, the slide. Shna. Only these 4 or 5, not many. That only if you remember that, then you won't be. You don't have any problem. You can easily read.
Yeah. And moreover, we see the this combination of this more than one consonant followed by a vowel.
Yes.
Yeah, followed by a vowel. What is happening? The presentation, the form, takes different in different places. Like when in the print, I'm saying there are 2 ways of writing which you have already taught us, and so that is you can write next to that or one below the other.
Yeah.
And so where we have to use one below the other, where I have to use one after the other, is there any?
See, if vertical stroke is, if a consonant, if a pure consonant has got vertical stroke, like the word gakara, ka, kha, ga, the vertical stroke you can remove. That's simple. The consonant, pure consonant has got vertical stroke, therefore you can remove. There are some consonants you cannot remove, there is no vertical stroke, like the nasal, kha, kha, ga, gha, na. There it is written like this, right? So you don't have vertical stroke there. So therefore, you cannot remove. Therefore, it is written at the top. If it is a pure consonant.
Okay.
If it is a pure consonant, written at the top. Similarly, ta, ta, da, da. Those letters, that is cerebral letters, they don't have vertical stroke. Therefore, they are written at the top.
Okay.
First consonant at the top, and the last consonant at the bottom. That is a rule.
Okay.
Got it?
Okay.
Sharanji.
Yeah.
Sharanji, one question.
Yeah.
In this example, in the right hand side, we have the the other side, sakara plus nakara plus a. Here it is written sna.
Yeah.
So did you tell that it has to be longer now? If I understood it right.
Longer. What do you mean by longer? No.
The na, should it
that
be
is
dirgha, the longer? Yeah, I'm confused. That's why I just want to clarify.
What do you mean by dirgha? Let us first clarify that. What is mean by dirgha? Dirgha means long vowel. Long.
Long.
Okay. What do you mean by long?
Like, when I read in the slide, it was snanam, right? Is it becoming longer now?
No. See.
Or it's just for the word it is the longer.
And that word it is snanam is longer. Okay. Here sakara plus nakara plus a is that. Therefore sna. If sakara plus nakara plus a is that, becomes sna, right?
No. Okay.
If sakara plus nakara plus e is there, it will become sni. Understand? If sakara plus nakara plus e is that, becomes sni. You can replace the vowel by any vowel, right? In the combination, many other vowels can come. For the sake of presentation, I am adding a. But in a word, could be any vowel, right?
Okay.
So in the word snanam, there sakara plus nakara plus a is that sna. Therefore sna nam. Okay. So we can.
Okay, Ji. Thank you, Ji.
Stop here. So we'll continue the next class. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. You will do a lot of reading practice. So, okay, you would be able to read in another few classes. fluently.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Jay.